want to talk to you about a very important supplement, selenium. So stay with me. So I have been on a health journey this year, and if you've been watching my videos, you're well aware of that. Well, that journey is ongoing, but during the course of all these tests, I found out that I have 3 nodules in my neck, in my thyroid, sorry. And considering that my brother some years ago had to have half of his thyroid removed and he has to take medication the rest of his life, I took this seriously. I did go to the top, well, she's the head of the endocrine department at Vanderbilt, and I had gotten my ultrasounds done at what is now a Vanderbilt. You know how all the hospitals and doctors have gone into hospital systems. So the hospital that I got the test at in Lebanon is part of the Vanderbilt system, but she disagreed with the findings and she wanted me to come back in 6 months and be retested at Vanderbilt and to take selenium. If you're someone who's already taking a lot of supplements or feel like you just don't want to add one more capsule down your throat, because don't forget, a lot of this stuff is not absorbed into your body and you have to do your research. By the way, I'm not giving any advice, I'm only passing along information. I'm not a doctor. There's a company called Dr. Mary Ruth's, and they make a liquid supplement. They make several. They have a lymphatic one. I bought that. That's for the lymph nodes. And they have, I really like their vitamin B12. It's just 3 tasty squirts in the mouth, and you're not taking yet another capsule. And so I really like the liquid ones. I feel that they're much more absorbable into the body. So if you're someone who doesn't want to take another capsule, guess what? Brazil nuts, and I'm sure you probably know this. I hope this looks okay. I feel like I have 2 white arms and a dark face, but Brazil nuts. Now, this is what I buy. This is a brand called Terrasol. Terra means earth, soul foods, and Terrasol superfoods. And selenium, Brazil nuts include selenium, healthy fats, and plant protein. What could be better? I buy the unroasted. I always feel that raw nuts are going to give you more nutrition than something that's been toasted, because anytime you bring dairy or vegetables up a certain temperature over 104 degrees, you start killing off the enzymes and so forth. So I haven't even looked at the toasted Brazil nuts to see if they have the same plant and fat and selenium values. But these are organic, nutrient-dense, and non-GMO verified. Okay, these are tree nuts. So, you know, if you have allergies to tree nuts, you have to be aware of that. Refrigeration recommended after opening, and I always do that. Don't know if I knew that or if I just do it instinctively, but I do that. And what's interesting is there are 32 servings. Now, I have not done the math. I could do the math. There are 100 vegetarian capsules in this particular one called Life Extension, and this is Super Selenium Complex. 200 micrograms plus vitamin E. I am not promoting this particular brand. There are many. Because I live on a hill in the country, it is very convenient for me not to have to run around. There's no health food store for like at least 40 miles. So it's very easy for me to order things through Amazon. This particular company offers a 2-pack of this for a little bit less money. And this package is 16 ounces. Yeah. Feels a little heavier than a pound, but I just feel good about this company, and I buy all my raw nuts from them. And the thing is, a serving size, there's 32 servings. Serving size is about 3 nuts, which is 14 grams. They're big and chewy and wonderful. And that is 90 calories for 3 nuts. The total fat is 9 grams, which is 15% of your daily value. No cholesterol, no sodium. Obviously, these are raw and unsalted. 2 grams of carbohydrate, 1 gram of dietary fiber, no sugar, a little bit of calcium, a little bit of iron, a little bit of potassium, and a whopping, absolutely whopping 385% of the daily requirement of selenium is in per serving. 385%, which is 270 micrograms. This one capsule is a serving size 200 micrograms, which is 384. What did I say? 384? 385. That's a little bit different, but you're getting, in one capsule of this, which obviously is a lot easier, you're getting 384% or 5% of your daily value. So you're getting what you need from this, and you're getting what you need from this. This is a snack. This will not do anything for your hunger. So I just wanted to point those 2 things out, because you can go on, you know, I'm sure you know Dr. Berg's channel. He has 14 million subscribers. Hey, send some over my way, Dr. Berg. I'm not a doctor. He is. And he has a video on how to shrink nodules naturally. And so I was watching that, and he was talking about selenium also. And so I thought, I just wanted to bring it to your attention in case it's not on your radar. Because 50% of people over 50 have nodules. Only approximately 5%, 3 to 6%, average 5%, are cancerous, and the rest are benign. But depending on how they present, if they're smooth or if they're, you know, integrated with your thyroid, like my brother had to have half of his thyroid removed even though it was benign. Or at least he was told he needed to. If I went to the trouble to have a biopsy and found out it was benign, I think I would go to Dr. Berg's channel and look at ways to shrink my nodules naturally. But that's just me. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you look into it, because like I said, it's very, very common, and much more common with women. So you can look up the symptoms of nodules. You might not have even noticed it, you know, because I do videos a lot and I'm always talking on camera. I noticed that I was getting kind of a frog in my throat several times this summer. You know, when I was doing those videos every day, those updates every day, I was like having to drink a lot of cacao to get through those. What I've been doing since I went to her, I've been doing castor oil packs on my neck at night. But I've just heard, you know, miraculous stories about castor oil, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. So that's what I'm doing. And you can also take Dr. Berg's advice and give up dairy. Well, I just found a source a few months ago for raw milk, so I've been looking for that for 5 years, so that's not going to happen. And also gluten were 2 of his recommendations, to give up gluten and dairy. Like I said, not a doctor, I'm just passing along information, sharing the love and health tips, because if we don't have our health, we can't garden. So thanks so much for watching. Please share, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.
I know.